Hello guys! Hello! Gawa tayo. I'm making lumpia. Beef lumpia with pork. Kasi, see, this is a beef, ground beef. And then, I'll mix ground pork. And then, I'll make another ground beef. This from Japanese ground beef. This is good too. Mix together. First, kasi bukas, meron silang lunch ng anak ko sa school. So, ang anak ko, kaya nag-request ng lumpia at pork adobo. So, meron silang potluck sa school tomorrow. So, here we are. I'm here making lumpia for my son. And this is, I already mixed it. This is all the big carrots, green pepper, onion, garlic. You know, it's kind of lumpia stuff. Yeah. Just mix all together. I clean up later. See? And then, I'm gonna put seasoning, salt, pepper lang. Salt, pepper, black pepper, like that, ground pepper, and egg. That's it. But you, of course, you have to put something. Make yours, egg. So now here we go. Egg first. 2 eggs, that's enough. Because if you put a lot of egg, it's not good. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This one. This ring onion. Just like, ordinary, Filipino style. Ayan na! Tapos, that's it. Kasi may mix mo lang siya, tapos. Bye! See? I-mix lang natin yung sana masarap siya bukas. Alright, that's it. I-roll ko mamaya. Ayan na, lumpia. Bye! That's all my lumpia. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!